gonna keep it real with y'all. Hey guys, what's up, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Alicia. So today I'm doing a what's in my Kroser work bag. Okay, so a couple of months ago, this video right here, I showed you what the bag looked like, what's the ins and outs of the bag, and all this and that. So today I'm coming with the updated version of do I still like the bag, and updated what's in my bag. I don't think I ever did a what's in my work bag, maybe, but it's a new year, a new decade, and I'm gonna show you. All right, so this is the bag. If you haven't seen that video already, go ahead and click the link above, and I'll have it in the description box. But this is the Kroser work bag. This is what it looks like after a couple of months of wear and tear. I feel like it still looks good, and you can see on the inside I have, can y'all see that? I have a bunch of different things in there. So I'm gonna start off with what I bring to work with me most days. When I don't stop at Starbucks or bring my own like little water or something like that, I make my own coffee, as you saw. And this is the mug I put it in. I actually just made this mug the other day. I had the mug, but I actually just put I cricketed my name on it. So yep, there we go. So yeah, I usually bring like coffee or water at least, or tea or something. So let's get into the bag. So opening just this part right here, I'm gonna go through this flap. This flap right here, usually I don't have anything in it. I usually just leave that empty because I do get a work laptop, and as you can tell right here, it does have a little label that says, can y'all see that? Yeah, it does have like a little picture that says laptop. So yeah, I keep that empty. And so this next part is for your tablets. You can tell it has another little picture for your tablet. And I don't usually put anything in there because, like I said, I don't bring my tablet. I don't bring all that to work. Like on the weekends and I want to work on a video, I do bring my laptop, and it does fit right here. I have the dimensions of my laptop, so that way you can tell that it does fit in here. So yeah. All right, so the next portion of it, I'm trying to figure out what is the best way to do this. So we'll start on the pocket side. So in my pockets, I have a bunch of pens and different highlighters, and what else? I also have this lipstick. I don't know why that's there. That should be in a different part, but this is the Going Steady lip color by LA Colors. So that's what that is. See, I have more in this side pocket. What else is in here? Oh, my chapstick and my eardrops. Remember I told y'all I had an earache like a couple of weeks ago? So yeah, chapstick and eardrops. Definitely need that. So this pocket is pretty deep. I'm pulling all of that out of this pocket. And I think that is it. So my next pocket on this side, I have, what is this? Tylenol. So Tylenol. All right, so I'm just gonna go into the middle section here. So let me just give y'all, before I start pulling stuff out, I'm gonna show y'all. This is how big the bag is, and look at all of the junk. Can you see it? There you go. All of the junk. I have like 2-3 water bottles and all kinds of stuff in there. So just showing y'all what's in it. So the first thing I pulled out is this. The best project you'll ever work on is you. So basically what this is it's a 30-day fitness goal. And so you write your goals down, like your gym goals, your life goals, motivation, 30 days of fitness. And it has like these little cups up here where you can like fill in how many cups of water have you drunk today. So yeah, I'm excited to start using this. I just picked this up like yesterday, so yeah, gonna bring that with me. The next thing I have in here, of course, is notebooks. I have a bunch of different notebooks, some for work and some for like if I just need to jot something down that I'm thinking of about like life. So yeah. So I have a bunch of these different just regular black notebooks. The next thing I keep in my bag, where sometimes I leave work and I go straight to I come home, I just grab my laptop and I go straight to like working on a video or something like that. So I do bring these with me. I got this from the ContentBug, and this has honestly been a lifesaver. Like, I fill this out and it's really been checking me like, girl, you think you have it together but you don't. So yeah, if you're serious about your brand and YouTube and stuff like that, I would highly suggest checking this out, and I'll leave her a channel link below. So yeah. All right, so the next thing I have is water. I always try to keep, I have a bottle of water at work, but I always try to keep me another bottle just in case, so I can stay hydrated throughout the day. So the next thing I have is this gorgeous bag. You may have seen this in one of my other what's in my bags, and basically what I keep in here is just lotion, some lip gloss, and some blotting paper. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I usually don't wear makeup to work. I'll do my face routine in the morning, and then I end up putting lotion on and like moisturizing my face, and that'd be about it. I really don't do all that for work, but when I do, when I have like presentations and stuff like that, I usually do my face here at home, but then throughout the day sometimes it get oily and stuff, just a little touch up. So yeah, I keep that. The next thing, of course, I have my phone in there. It was in a little pocket in there. So the next thing I have is this bag. And this bag, I forgot what was it. Oh, okay, yeah. In this bag, I have Clorox wipes, again, you know, because everybody not as what am I saying? I'm not gonna say people are dirty. We're not gonna say that. But everybody is not as clean as you are. So sometimes I like to wipe down my desk and wipe down like my phone and things like that. So yeah, when I'm feeling extra, like especially this time of year where everybody coughing and coming to your desk and all that. So yeah, I also have wipes in here. What else? I have like a little first aid kit, because you never know, you get random cuts and all kinds of stuff can happen. So I keep that. I actually use some of this stuff. I don't just have it just to have it, y'all. Like, I use this at work for real. I have Tylenol in here because that is life. All right, so the next thing I have is just some crackers, something to snack on, because I don't want to go to the vending machine every day. That adds up. We're not doing that. The next thing I have is this Mario Badescu spray. Some days when I do put on makeup, or even days when I don't put on makeup and I just feel like my face is dry, then I spray this. Some little Kleenexes, so need that. That is it for the big part. So I pull all of that out of this big part of this Kroser bag. So yeah, so going into my little pockets right here, you see I just have like my pens in this little pocket. I have my calculator. I have some sticky notes, cough drops at the bottom down there, and this side, let me see if you can see it, if I can get, there we go. This side right here, it's a little pocket right there, if y'all can tell. It's a little pocket right there. And so I just put my wallet there, and my other little wallet that I have, I just put it in this side. I think that is it for everything that I keep in the big part. So if we go through this little zipper part down here, I just have like a charging thing. I just keep that on me, not for work, but just anytime. Have that, and I also keep some Claritin on me, so never know. Also with this bag, if you haven't seen my other video, is I can charge my phone or charge anything I really want in this section right here. So yeah, that's pretty cool. All I have to do is like charge it on the inside with this little plug, and I can plug a USB port in right there. So yeah, that has come in handy when I'm going to like a coffee shop or somewhere with my personal laptop working on videos. So yeah. And that is it. That is everything that I keep in my work bag for 2020. This Kroser bag has definitely been one of the best purchases I made in 2019. So yeah, I would highly recommend, if you're looking for a new work bag to take to work with you, or to if you like going to a coffee shop or something like that, this bag is a good bag. If you haven't got it already, I'll have it linked in my description box below. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in my next video.
Peace.